Good morning, everyone. Uh, Yesterday class we told about I told about circle, half part of the concept of circle. I told you, and today class I will told about another half part of the circle. Okay, let's come to the concepts. Okay. Yesterday class I told about the equation of the tangents and equation of the normals to the circle, and today class I told about equation of the chord. Okay, like this is a circle. Okay, when this point, like the point pxy, when this point touches a tangent a point like a, and same point touches a tangent like point B, right? And when you join the 2 points, this, what is this? This is a chord, na? This is a chord. Then they may be asked to find what is the equation of the chord. Okay. Then how we can find the equation of the chord? Equation of the chord, then s x square y square minus s square. This is the equation of the circle. Right. And what is the tangent? I told you x1 plus y1 minus s square. This is the equation of the tangent. Yesterday class I told you. Okay, then equation of the chord will become t is equal to 0, means what is t? T is the equation of the tangent. When the equation of the tangent should be equal to 0, then we will come equation of the chord. Okay, and what 2 will be the equation of the chord? x1 plus y1 minus s square is equal to 0. This is the equation of the chord. Okay. This is the equation of the chord when center is at 0 0, because this is the equation of the circle when center is at 0 0. I am giving you some generalized equations. Okay, of equation of the chord. When the equation of the circle is equal to 0, then equation of the chord became okay. This is the equation of the tangent. When you equate the equation of the tangent to 0, then it becomes equation of the chord. This is the equation of the chord. Now I am giving only the concepts. Okay, after the giving the concept, there are 5-6 concept is there. After giving all of the concept, I'll solve the questions. Okay. Then another concept is there, radial axis. Okay, what do you mean by radial axis? Like this is one circle, this is another circle. Okay, like the point P x y, when draw a tangent to point A and draw a tangent like the point B. Okay, this is the radial axis. This is the equation of the radial axis, and the condition for the equation of the radial axis is equal to PA is equal to PB. Means at any point, if you draw a tangent like this means like this is M, this is N, and the point O, then OM is equal to ON. Radial equation of the radial axis generally means that this is the equation of the locus of the line, so that it satisfies the length of the tangent of two circles will be equal. Okay. Like some circle is lies x square plus y square plus 2gx 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Another circle is like this is s dash. Okay, x square plus y square 2g dash x 2f dash x f dash y plus c is equal to 0. Then the radial axis of the circle s minus s dash is equal to 0. This is the radial axis of the circle. Then when you do that, what will it becomes? It will become 2x g minus g bar plus 2y f minus f bar plus c minus c bar is equal to 0. Okay, this is the equation of the radial axis. Okay, this is the equation of radial axis. Okay. Okay, another concept is there, like length of the chord. Okay, length of the common chord generally means that like this is a circle. Okay, and this is a circle. They meet they meet. Okay, and this is this point A and this point is B, right? And AB is known as common chord. Two circles. Okay, like the this is point P. Okay, like this circle is A, another circle is B. The center is at A and is at B. This join the two centers. Okay, and like this point is P. Okay, then how can you find the common chord? Like this is the radius and this is the perpendicular distance, right? Then what is the value of AB? AP is equal to, so okay, it is A dash, this is B dash. A dash P means this distance. Okay, A dash P is equal to A dash minus A dash square minus AP square root over as per Pythagoras theorem. Okay, but A dash B dash is twice of A dash P, right? Then when you multiply with this A dash square minus AP square, then we can find the common chord. A dash this is the radius, like the A, and this is the perpendicular distance. By using this we can easily find the common chord of the circle. And radial axis. Okay, like this is a circle and this is a circle. From this point, this is the radial axis. Okay, this is the radial axis. Okay, this is point B and this is point A, this is point P. Okay, when you join the center between two circles, like this is M and A, radial axis is always perpendicular to the line joining the center between two circles. Radial axis is always perpendicular to the joining of the center between two circles, right? There is no formula is like that, but just you just remember the concept. When the radial axis is always perpendicular to the line joining center between two circles. Okay. Okay, then comes to family of circle. Okay, like a family of circle, generally like a circle equation is x square y square 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Another circle equation is x square plus y square 2g dash x plus 2f dash y plus c is equal to 0. You can change, means g value, this is a magnitude, you can change. Okay. Then family of circle generally denotes as s plus lambda s dash is equal to 0. This is the intersection of two circles. This equation generally denotes as intersection of two circles, and lambda is not equal to -1 always. Then only this equation is valid. This is the intersection of equation for the intersection of two circles. Okay, okay, like they given 2 points, P point and Q point. Okay, and then they asked to find the equation of family of circle. Just they given only the 2 points. Okay, then what will be the family of circle? Equation of family of circle when 2 points are given, then the family of circle is equal to x minus coordinate x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 plus lambda into determinant of x, y1, x and y are variables, and x1, y1 1 and x2, y2 1 when equal to 0. This is the equation for family of circle. Equation for family of circle. Okay, let's go to another concept. I'm just giving the formulas. Okay, this easily you can remember that. Another thing is there, find the equation of family of circle when it interacts with a line, like some line, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1 at a point x1 y1. Okay, find the equation of the family of circle when it means like interact means either it touches or something. Okay, if it touches, like this is a circle, this is the maybe circle, like this line is touches. When this line it touches the family of circle, then what is the at the point like not like that, like this is a circle, this is a circle. When the circle line touches this, and the P point is x1 y1. Okay, another point is given x1 y1. Then they asked to told find the equation of the circle. Okay, how can you find that? Then just there is a easy formula is given: x minus x1 square plus y minus y1 square plus lambda equal into y minus y1 minus m into x minus x1 is equal to 0. Okay, they asked to find that one line it touches the family of circle at a point p x1 y1. Then the equation of the family of circle is this: x minus x1 square plus y minus y1 square plus lambda into y minus y1 minus m into x minus y1. This is in the whole bracket is equal to 0. Okay, m is the slope. This is maybe any value of m. You can use any value of m. Okay, that is positive or either negative. Then like this is a circle 1. Okay, and this is a circle 2. When two circle interacts, okay, like from the point like this circle, this and this is this, there must be an angle between when two circle interact. There must be angle between the interaction, na? And what is the angle between when two circle will interact? Angle between angle of intersection of two circle. Okay, like the circle S1, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fi plus c is equal to 0. Another circle S dash is equal to x square plus y square plus 2g bar x plus 2f bar y plus c bar is equal to 0. Then what will be value of cos theta? Okay, cos theta is equal to plus minus 2g1 g2 g1 g dash g dash plus 2 f dash minus c dash divided by 2 root over of g square f square minus c into root over of g dash square and f dash square minus c dash. Okay, when two circle interact and this is the theta, angle of interaction is theta, then cosine of theta is equal to plus minus 2 g bar, means g bar is the like one circle is S1, another circle is S. This is the equation of S1 and this will be the equation of S. Then 2g bar plus 2f bar minus c bar divided by 2 into g square f square minus c root over into g dash square f dash square minus c dash. Okay, then when you solve this equation, you can find the angle between cosine angle between interaction of two circle. Okay, when two circle when angle of two circles is orthogonal, like one circle is this, another circle is this, when you join two of them, this angle is 90 degree, Then what will be the formula when angle orthogonal interaction? Two circle, then this will become 2gg dash plus 2ff dash is equal to c plus c dash. Okay, this is the formula you have to remember when they given that when two circle interact and they given the equation of the circle, another condition they given that the angle between interaction of two circle is 90 degree. Then just you have to check. How can you check that? Just multiply the coefficients, okay, as per the formula. You can find if this comes to c plus c1, right hand side, if you equate right hand side and left hand side, okay, if it comes equal, then you will confirm that this circle will interact at a 90 degree angle. Okay, and how, like this is the angle for then cos 90 is 0. When you come to 0, this is 0, then these terms will go there, this will become 0 into something is 0, then only this term is equal to 0. Then how can it become that? 2gg1 plus 2ff dash minus c dash is equal to 0. Okay, then 2gg dash plus 2ff dash is equal to c plus c dash. Then this equation will become same as this. This is the means first principle. Okay, from the first principle you have to calculate this just by equating, like when theta is 90 degree, cos will become 0. 0 is equal to, like this is x by y. When x come y come there, then x will become 0. Just equate x, when x will become 0, this will come. Okay. Then comes to another concept, external and internal contact of two circles. Okay, external and internal contact of two circle. Okay, like this circle, one is center is C1. Okay, another circle which center is at C2. Okay, then condition is interaction of two circle with a real and distinct point. The two circle will interact with a real and distinct points. Okay, the condition is for real distinct points. Okay, if right r1 minus r2, okay, is equal to c1 c2 greater than or equal to r1 plus r2. Okay, what do you mean that? Like for circle 1 radius is r1, for circle 2 radius is r2, and C1 is the distance between two center. Okay, then the two circle, like two circle will interact in a real and distinct point when difference is radius, okay, is less than equal to, not equal to, is less than distance between two center points, which is greater than, and the distance between 2 points is less than when the addition of two center. Okay, two radius, not center, two radius. Then the two circle will interact at real and distinct points. Okay, when two circle will touch each other, like condition 2, circle will touch each other like this, and like just like that na. Okay, this circle C1 and this circle C2, this point C1, this center C1 and center C2, and the radius is R1 and radius is R2. When two circles will touch each other, this C1 C2 means distance between two centers is equal to addition of two radius. Then the circle will touch each other. You are seeing that by seeing the figure by seeing the figure we can just formalize that, like this is C1 C2, this is the distance between C1 C2, and this is R1, like the whole distance is 10. If this is 5 and this is 5, they both will come to 10 na. But just by seeing the equation, the distance between two centers when equal to the addition of two radius of two circle, then the circle will touch each other.